Hello everyone, good morning and welcome to Government Private Job Alerts. So guys, today we are going to discuss about Book My Show. So Book My Show is hiring freshers definitely, and it will be full-time freshers, and we will be discussing how to apply, and definitely your salary will be from 5.8 to 7 LPA. So I think this is one of the best salary for a freshers. So guys, we will be discussing about job location and all the things in detail, so please watch the video till the end. And if you have not subscribed our channel, so please subscribe our channel and press bell icon, so that if there is any notification, definitely you will get it earlier. So guys, in addition to government private job alerts, we provide on daily basis 2 to 3 government private job alerts. Basically, we are more focusing on private jobs, that means IT sector, engineering or non-engineering. Nowadays, we will be going to government also, but due to this COVID crisis, government vacancies are not out so much. So that is why. So guys, in addition to it, we have also started the preparation strategy, means to help students in preparing the exams. For example, we have started with our global edge exam. After that, we worked on TCS smart hiring. So we started our preparation strategy of last 7 days, but due to the request of students, we extended it to 9 days. So guys, you can see the videos, you can watch the videos if you are preparing for your TCS and QT August, or if I can say that your November. So these videos will be definitely helpful to you guys. So after that, we have also started a preparation strategy of Infosys also, and we got a good response from the students. And if you have any doubt, you can go and watch the videos, and you can watch the comments also from the students. So guys, let's talk about Book My Show also. So as we told you that we are working on a diverse base, like government private job alerts plus the preparation strategy. So guys, now talking about Book My Show hiring freshers definitely. So we will be talking each and everything. Watch the video till the end. So let's go now. So guys, as you can see on the screen, so we are on the official website of Book My Show, that is in.bookmyshow.com, careers job. So guys, the job will be of trainee quality analyst, and the job location is your Mumbai, and experience is definitely 0 years. That means freshers can apply. After that, talking about your profile and how to apply, we will discussing each and everything in detail. So you can see your profile will be prepare test plans, design clear and concise test cases, perform exploratory testing beyond documented test cases, execute test cases and document results, enter and maintain. So guys, I think we missed something. Yes, your qualification. So definitely your qualification will be any graduate. That means if you are BA, BSc, BCom, MA, MTech, BTech, BE, whatever, so you are eligible. So guys, now talking about your profile. So I think we read it already. So you can see here the last things. I think we missed these things. So these are work location, tracking, priority management for the team, identify risk if any, and communicate the same to the concerned product manager. So after that, you are talking about your checklist. So knowledge of web application testing, mobile devices and mobile application testing. After that, good knowledge of testing app or various devices of difference operating system and screen sizes, good communication skills and team player, and knowledge on automation testing is a plus thing. That means this is not required, but this will be a plus thing. So that is means that this is not necessary, but if you have, that is good. After that, now talking about the most important things are how to apply them. So you can see here, so how to apply. So what you have to do, you have to just fill the form, and the link, do not worry about this, we will add this in the description also. And this is your first name, last name, email, number, that is portfolio URL, that is if you have any blog, GitHub or whatever, so Dribble or Behance. After that, your experience in months if you have any. After that, this is your notice period, and means before how many days you must get a notice for joining a job if you got selected. So after that, your current LPA if you have, and your expected LPA. So you can write this in expected LPA whatever you wanted. And this is your correct current city, and after that, this is your preferred city, means in which you wanted to be posted. After that, this is your current company if you have any, and then you have to attach the CV. So you can see here you have to attach the CV in a doc or docs file, and PDF file also accepted. So that means you can accept this, means docs, doc, everything is accepted. After that, talking about your apply, so you can see here, write your cover letter. If you wanted to write anything, means if you wanted to express about yourself, your qualifications or whatever in addition, so you can write it there also. And after that, so now students will ask, sir, is it necessary? Because I think this is a good thing, means if you are adding something from your side, I know 80% of the students just directly do the formalities and apply directly. So but I suggest you, please write something, means something like if you have any of the good habit or whatever, but you must write something there. After that, so from there you have to apply. So from there you can apply. So this is all for today. So we have discussed about Book My Show. So if you wanted to visit the site, so this is in.bookmyshow.com career, so you can visit there also. So if you have any doubt, you are most welcome in the comment section. And so guys, this is all for today. So we will meet you in some another video. So till then, good luck and all the best.